Hello all traders, today is Thursday 27th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price during the Asian session started to go up and during the London session past the previous day close, and we could see a shadow on a daily chart. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening and news release, the price started to go down sharply and retested the previous day low and fluctuated here with a wide range sideways, highly volatile, and was in this pattern till close to the end of market. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price find the support and the buyers come back, we take long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 12:20 when I came back, the price was testing this level and the buyers came back and pushed the price higher, and this wave of uptrend was taken with setup C on Nasdaq and also setup C on S&P 500, and I took several micro contracts before that in this area as well. And since the volatility was very high and the price was reaching a major support level and we reached the daily target, I stopped the trading for the day, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 31, which is coming from 40% win rate, all from the 10 long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio was 46, and the largest winning trade was 520, and the largest losing trade was $13. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm account, when I came back, the price was testing this level of support on Bitcoin, and the buyers came back and there was good correlation between Bitcoin and all E-minis. So I took one long position with setup C here and set the stop loss below the previous day close and also the target on the upper area of the channel. But the Bitcoin didn't follow the pattern of all E-minis that were going up again and retesting this level and bouncing back. So by setting the target and a stop loss, I came back later afternoon and it was stopped out here with loss, and the price was already here, which was recovered later on, which also didn't have correlation with other E-minis that stayed around the previous day low or below that. So since the correlation between Bitcoin and other E-minis seems to be weak, and also its big point value and move is significant and it can easily move 1,000 points on each swing, even if we use the smaller lot size that is not less than 0.01. It's not suitable for the small 5K size prop firm accounts, and it could be used maybe for the 50 or 100K accounts. So I'm going to use it in future for larger accounts in order to manage the risk effectively. So for the first daily loss on this account, our total balance is now $78.26 with the profit factor of 2.39. So this shows the equity curve of all E-minis, and also this loss from the Bitcoin here. So we have taken 202 trades so far and we had 165 winners, resulted in 81.68% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the account from the beginning, which is increasing consistently, and even with the loss today, our drawdown is below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss limit, which is $250, and therefore this loss is only 0.6% of the daily loss limit allowed by the prop firm for the second stage of the challenge. So we're going to continue on this account and keep you updated till we reach the target of 4%, which is $200, and get funded. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and on the small 5K CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.